Welcome to War India News Hour. The growing threat to the healthcare IoT sector. IoT technology has changed the game for healthcare providers seeking to reduce cost and improve delivery of patient care. The advances are promising and the medical IoT market is set to explode. At the same time, there is a growing threat to the healthcare sector to come under cyber attacks with the implementation of IoT. These are usually connected with medical devices like MRI and X-ray equipment typically obtained from the third-party sources. Since these medical devices aren't built with security as a priority, they are vulnerable to cyber attacks that try to access their sensitive data. Healthcare institutions are targeted by the cyber attackers for many reasons. One is that they safeguard and hold large amount of sensitive data, including intellectual property such as vaccine research. They also contain identifiable information like medical and insurance details to be sold on the black market. In recent years, India has seen IoT adoption in education, governance, and financial services. The technology has also enabled doctors to see and interact with patients in remote telemedicine centers with the case history and medical data automatically transmitted to the doctor for analysis. India has an acute shortage of doctors which impacts both the quality and reach of healthcare services in rural and urban centers. A report says a digital platform powered by advanced digital technologies can enable continuous remote patient monitoring and reporting, allowing patients to extend care to more people and reduce the burden on healthcare infrastructure. However, most of these IoT devices are hackable and introduce cybersecurity risks that could negatively impact patient care and the bottom line. Hence, the need for operational technology OT security is changing as more edges of these environments are being connected to enterprise networks and exposed to threat on the internet. While this online connection makes data gathering and remote management of the OT environment easier, they also provide attackers with entry points. Meanwhile, IoT specific security solutions do not require agents, effectively securing all connected devices regardless of whether they are IT, OT and IoT devices. This is important because attackers generally see all connected devices as part of a single system. A siloed security system that sees only one of these environments cannot keep OT security secure. This is why security technology works to develop and improve simplified solutions with a multifaceted approach to mitigate risks. Let's look into today's headline in War India. Police leader admits use of Pegasus spyware. Poland's ruling party leader admitted that the country brought Israeli spyware Pegasus but rejected the claims that it was used against the opposition. Jaroslaw K., who heads up the Law and Justice Party and is also a deputy prime minister, said the program was used by services fighting crime and corruption in many countries. Pegasus can run smartphones into pocket spying devices, allowing the user to read the target's messages, track their location, and even turn on their camera and microphone without their knowledge. New ransomware Night Sky is targeting corporate networks. A new ransomware called Night Sky is targeting corporate networks and stealing data in double extortion attacks. The Night Sky operation has published the data of two victims. One of the victims has received an initial ransomware demand of $800,000 to obtain a decryptor and for stolen data not to be published. When launched, the ransomware will encrypt all files except those ending with the .dil and or .exe file extensions, instead of using a Tor site to communicate with victims. Night Sky uses email address and a clear website running rocket.chat. Bengaluru startup Avatar raises $45 million. AI and computer vision startup Avatar has raised $45 million in its Series B funding round led by Tiger Global and existing investor Sequoia Capital India. Avatar helps direct-to-consumer brands and e-commerce marketplace with shaping their consumer journey with 3D execution of products. Firms can integrate Avatar's plug-and-play technology into their systems, which then allow customers to visualize products in real-life size and feel in their living room using the phone's camera. Hackers are sending malicious links by abusing Google Docs. Hackers are sending malicious links through comments in Google app like Docs and Slides, primarily on Outlook users. According to US-based cybersecurity company Avanan, hackers are increasingly using the Google Docs productivity features to slip malicious links, parse spam filters, and cybersecurity tools. An exploit in Google Docs that allowed hackers to easily deliver malicious phishing websites to end users has been recognized, and now the comment feature across the Google suite has become an attack vector for hackers. Bitcoin sinks lowest in 3 months after US payrolls. Bitcoin collapsed as much as 5% to its lowest since late September, amid a broader sell-off for cryptocurrencies driven by concerns about tighter US monetary policy. Bitcoin was last down more than 3% at $41,704 after touching $40,938, its lowest since September 29th, as a mixed bag of US payrolls data fueled some bargain buying. Bitcoin has also been under pressure after minutes from the latest US Federal Reserve meeting appeared to lean towards more aggressive policy action, shaping the investor appetite for riskier assets. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.